is the repair station important to the Civil Aviation Training Center? The repair station is an important agency under the Civil Aviation Training Center in Type 1, number 31/2529-2, and is certified by the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand, or CAAT, for the purpose of enhancing aircraft maintenance and repair capabilities for the CATC, as well as serving outside agencies. It is located at Hua Hin Airport. Its key responsibilities include conducting maintenance and repairs on the unpressurized piston engine, as the only one-stop service provider in Thailand. Moreover, the station is certified as a repair station for Diamond aircraft and T-Alert Centurion engines, with activities including scheduled maintenance, major engine maintenance, and structural inspections and maintenance. All of this is to ensure that aircraft are always maintained to be in a usable condition and airworthy for safe flights.